This is Mindy McIntosh Shutter, and I'm going to show you how to make garden mulch. Now, garden mulch can be made out of several different substances: shredded paper, ground up leaves, grass clippings, and straw. Each one of these types of mulch have their positives and negatives, but the best mulch that I like to use is straw. You don't have a nitrogen or carbon issue like you do with dried leaves and or grass clippings, and using straw has a mild weed suppressant. In other words, it prevents weed seeds from germinating. Now, make sure that you get straw and not hay. Straw has reduced numbers of weed seeds in it, while hay has a lot of weed seeds. If you use hay, you're going to have some issues. Now, to use this type of mulch, you're simply going to cut the bale apart, and you're going to put the mulch in the area that you would like your mulch to be, whether you're mulching strawberries or you're mulching flowers. Now, a garden tip: when you cut your straw bale, make sure that you cut it so that you get these layers of straw versus trying to tear it apart to spread it. Now, make sure that you spread your mulch out evenly around the plant material, and then you'll be set for winter.